Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the name of your PS5 when you find it via Bluetooth on your headphones or your remote. How do you actually go ahead and do so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is navigate to settings on the upper right hand corner. Next, you want to scroll down to where it says system. Now, once you click on system, you want to go to the right and then click on console information. And then right over here, you can see that the name of our PS5 is PS5 799. Go ahead and click on this. And then this is how you could actually change the name of your PS5. So go ahead and give it a new name. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the name of your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.